Everybody's here. We're gonna go for a ride. Everybody say what's up. What's up? $14. What's up, guys? We at the shop, living the life. This is our shop. If you haven't seen our shop, I do. In the beginning, I did shop vlogs, and you can check them out. Just go to my channel. They're like probably in the bottom. Probably have around like 45 to 50 videos up. So just check them out. Like and subscribe. Ow! Ow! My leg hit the fucking cage. What's up, guys? We're here with the squad, and you know what we do: burnouts and wheelies.
Fatality.
We're gonna stop at Tank Top's house, see what's going on.
Hey! Stop up there, sweetheart!
Yeah. Something for the vlog, man. That's right.
It's a beautiful day!
Oh yeah.
What a fucking beautiful day!
Whoa, whoa, guys, take it easy, man. Yo, not even fucking 5 minutes of riding, we're already horny. Whoa! You can't do that!
Fatality. Fatality.
The Tank Top, this is Tank Top's second place winner. Look at the blur pole all in the frame. Looks dope. 2003 R1. Looking sexy. What's up, guys? Here with the squad. Gonna be killing it, boys. Killing it. I'm gonna kill switch these flybys. Everybody here? Everybody here? What's up? What's up? Hey! You guys good? You guys good, guys? Oh, kill switch.
Fatality.
Ah, we're killing it!
Fatality.
Ah, you son of a bitch, man! Hey, I'm gonna get you, bro! Oh, guys, I hate being in the front of the group. I just fucking hate it. But somebody has to do it. Probably take turns rotating it. Respect! Respect! Give that guy a card. That guy over there. Check us out. YouTube, buddy. $14. Right here. I feel it. I don't know. This guy's gonna get hit. Open your eyes, man. You've seen my latest, my yesterday's vlog. It's called Stuttering Succotash. It's pretty funny. Jeep Wrangler guy, he pisses me off, so. We're gonna go for a quick tour, guys. We're gonna show you these. It's pretty short, but it's very, very nice. When all the trees are growing and everything, it's a great scenery. Nice. Really, Todd? Oh, he's still going. Oh, respect. Oh, respect. This is the off-ramp, guys, getting super low. Getting that chicken strip right off. Always look ahead of you, forward. Do a couple laps. Hopefully there's no cops. There's those bikes just fucking with all of us. One more lap. One more. Take them. Follow your own line. Oh, coming wide. That's it. Hey! More? One more. Oh, guys, this is pumped, so pumped. I'm wearing fucking shorts, so if I go down for sure. Over there. That was dope. Huh? We should. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Off-road. That's it. He's getting one more. Your tires like this. What do you guys think about the vlog? What do you guys think about the ride? You tell me in the comments below. What do you think about it?
It was a good one.
Good times, good vibes.
Check it out. Check it out.
What do you think of the ride? What do you think of the ride? Was it a good ride?
I think it was quite fantastic. You know, everyone, you know, stayed.
Hit the subscribe button.
You